I welcome all of you in the lesson number 46 for grade 2 mathematics, guys. We're studying about multiplication, and in the last class we were discussing multiplying two digits number without regrouping. So I'm going to revise one or two questions here for multiplying two digit numbers without regrouping. The questions we did in the last class, I'm going to revise it, and then we will start. We'll continue further and we will move to page number 53 and learn about multiplying three digits number without regrouping, and we also check how to multiply numbers with regrouping as well. So look at here, guys. This is 43 multiplied by 2. When you are multiplying any number by a two-digit number by a single-digit number, you just have to make sure when you multiply it by ones, so the answer should be written on the ones. So this is 2 multiplied by 3, 2 by 1, 2, 2 by 2, 4, and 2 by 3 equals to 6. That's why you write 6 here. 2 multiplied by 3 ones is equals to 6 1. So first you multiply the number with the ones. 2 by 3 ones equals to 6 ones. And whatever the answer is, you will write in the ones place. Then you multiply the number with the tens. 2 multiplied by 4 tens. 2 multiplied by 4 tens. So 2 by 1, 2, 2 by 2, 4, 2 by 3, 6, and 2 by 4, 8. So 2 multiplied by 4 is equals to 8 tens. So you will write 8 in the tens column. So this is how you will solve multiplication question. So it is 86. 23 multiplied by 43 multiplied by 2 is equals to 86. The next question is 13 multiplied by 3. So 13, in 13 there are 1 10 and 3 1, and you have to multiply it by 3. So you will multiply this 3 by 3 ones first. 3 by 1, 3, 3 by 2, 6, and 3 by 3 equals to 9, right? So 3 multiplied by 3 equals to 9 ones. So you will write 9 in the ones column. Then you multiply this 3 by 1 tens. 3 by 1 equals to 3. So you will write 3. 3 by 3, 9 ones. 3 by 1 tens, 3 tens. So the answer is 39. Then move to the next question, which is C. C is 30 multiplied by 50. So again, you will multiply this 5 by 0. 5 by 0 once. You know the multiplication property. Whenever you multiply any number by 0, it will be also 0. So 5 by 0 is 0. So you will write 0 in the ones place. Then you multiply this 5 by 3 tens. So 5 by 1, 5. 5 by 2, 10. And 5 by 3 is equals to 15. So you will write 15. So 50 multiplied by 3 will be equals to 150. Then move to the question number 2, guys. Question number 2 is saying Twinkle has 2 plates with 10 jellies on each plate. Jimbo has 5 plates with 10 jellies on each plate. Who has more jellies? So for that you need to find out how many jellies Twinkle is having and how many jellies Jimbo is having. Then you will be able to decide who has more jellies. So there are 2 plates Twinkle is having, and in one plate there are 10 jellies. That means total jellies Twinkle is having, that is 2 multiplied by 10. 2 multiplied by 10 is equals to 20. And Jimbo is having total 5 plates, and in one plate there are 10 jellies. So that means the total jellies Jimbo is having, that is 5 multiplied by 10, which will be equals to 50. So because 50 is greater than 20, 50 is bigger than 20. So you can easily say that Jimbo has more jellies than Twinkle. Jimbo has more jellies than Twinkle. So guys, up to here, everything is clear?
Yes. Yes,
That's very good. Now let's move to page number 53. On page number 53, guys, we are going to learn multiplying 3-digit numbers without regrouping. Before that, we were multiplying 2 digits by a single digit. Now we are going to multiplying 3-digit by a single digit. So in multiplying 3-digit number without regrouping, let's check example. Bubble bought 212 boxes of cakes. How many boxes of cakes? 212. And there were 3 cakes in each box. How many cakes did he buy all together? So guys, in one box there are 3 cakes. In one box there are 3 cakes, and such 212 boxes are there. And such 212 boxes are there. That's mean if you want to find out how many total cakes are there, so you will multiply 3 by 212, or I can also write 212 by 3. Okay, so what you are going to do, you are going to multiply 212 by 3 because you want to know how many cakes did he buy all together. So 212 you have to multiply by 3. This is 212 and you have to multiply it by 3. So in 212 there are 3 digits, 2, 1 and 2. This 2 is on the ones place, this 1 is on the tens place, and this 2 is on hundreds place. So this is 212. You have to multiply it by 3. So you will write here multiplication sign and you will write 3. Now, as you used to multiply in the previous topic, multiplying 2 digits, you will follow the same method. You will multiply this 3 by this 2 first. 3 multiplied by 2 once is equals to. So I'm going to ask you guys, you have to tell me 3 multiplied by 2 equals to what?
5.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
3 multiplied by 2 equals to 6. 3 by 1, 3, and 3 by 2 equals to 6. So you will write here 6. Then you multiply this 3 by 1, and you know whenever you multiply any number by 1, you get the same number. 3 by 1, 3. Then again you need to multiply this 3 by 2. So 3 multiplied by 2 equals to, again 6. So the answer is 636. So what you will do guys, you will multiply by the ones first. 3 by 2, 6 ones, you will write answer in the ones column. Then you multiply this 3 by tens. 3 by 1 equals to 3 tens. You will write the answer in the tens column. And finally, you will multiply this 3 by hundreds. 3 by 2 equals to 6. And you will write it in hundreds column. In that way, the answer is 636. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's very good. Now, let's check one more example, guys. This is 212 multiplied by 3. If I take one more example, if I ask you to multiply 223 by 3. If I ask you to write the answer of 223 by 3, so how you will solve it? The method is same, guys. The method is same. First you will multiply this 3 by 1s. 3 by 1, 3, 3 by 2, 6, and 3 by 3 equals to 9. So you will write here 9. 3 by 3 ones is equals to 9 ones. Then you will multiply this 3 by 2. 3 multiplied by 1 equals to 3. 3 multiplied by 2 equals to 6. You will write here 6. Then finally you will multiply this 3 by 100. 3 by 1 equals to 3 and 3 by 2 equals to 6. So the answer will be 660. 9. Is it clear to you guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah.
That's very good. Now, guys, you have to answer me the question number 1 of page number 53. Let's move to the question of the exercise. Question number 1A. 111 multiplied by 5. 111 multiplied by 5. This is very easy, guys. 111 multiplied by 5. This is very easy. Yusuf, very good. Umar Nizar, very good. Mahmoud, very good. Muhammad Kashan, very good. Rashid, Ahmad Al-Badi. 555, you have to multiply it by 1. You can use the multiplication property as well. Muaz, very good. Muhammad Ali, very good. Let's take one of the students. Arshman. Arshman Aziz. 111 multiplied by 5.
5.
Sorry.
55.
55.
555.
555. How? How you know this is the answer?
5 under 5.
Mm-hmm.
5 under 5.
Mm-hmm.
5 under 5.
That's very good. That's very good. Awesome. Thank you. Let's take one more student, guys. Mahmoud. Mahmoud. Mahmoud, can you hear me? Yes. Mahmoud is not answering. Let's take one more student. Muaz.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Muaz. 111 multiplied by 5.
Yes. Uh, 555.
Okay, how? 555. Your answer is correct, but how? Yes.
Because 1 multiply 5 is 5, and 1 multiply 5 is 5. 1 multiply 5 is 5.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Exactly, guys. When you multiply this 5 by 5 once, so it will be equals to 5. 5 multiplied by 1 equals to 5. 5 multiplied by 110 is equals to 5 tens, and 5 multiplied by 100 is equals to 500. So the answer is 555. The answer is 555. Now, guys, you have to solve the question number 1B. 1B. You have to solve. Multiply this 3 by 2 right here, 3 by 3 right here, and this 3 by 2 right here. So I received correct answers from Rakan, Rayan, Yusuf, Muaz, Umar Nizar, Muhammad Kashan, Ahmad Al-Badi, and Suleiman, Tariq, Muaz, Muhammad Talha, Umar Nizar, Huzaifar Rashid, Muhammad Momin, Abdul Muid, Huzaifar Rashid, Muhammad Momin, Muhammad Ali, Muhammad Al-Raini, Fashman, Rashid. That's very good. All students answered correctly. I would like to take one of the students. Muhammad Al-Raini.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Muhammad. 232 multiplied by 3.
3 by 2, 6.
Okay.
3 by 3,
Mhm.
9.
9. That's very good.
3 by 2, 6.
6. Very good. Perfect answer. I would like to take one more student for this. Muhammad Ahmad Almas.
Yes, sir.
232 multiplied by 3. Yes. 232 multiplied by 3. Muhammad Ahmad Almas. 3 multiplied by 2, 6, right? So I should write here 6. Then what should I write here? Yes. 3 multiplied by 3 equals to what?
9.
Okay. And 3 multiplied by 2 equals 6. That's mean it is 696, right? Exactly, guys. The answer is 696. When you multiply this 3 by 2, 3 by 2 equals to 6, 3 by 3 equals to 9, and 3 by 2 equals to 6. So the answer is 696. Now, guys, you have to solve this one. 221 multiplied by 4. 221 multiplied by 4. 221 multiplied by 4. 221 multiplied by 4. Huzafa, check your answer. Ahmad Al-Badi, very good. Muhammad Kashan, very good. Rakan, very good. Taimullah, very good. Huzafa, your answer is wrong. Ashman, very good. Taimullah, very good. Rashid, very good. Umanizar, check your answer again. Corrected. Muhammad Ali, very good. Muaz, very good. Rayan, very good. Muhammad Al-Waini, very good. Yusuf, very good. Suleiman Tariq, very good. And Suleiman Al-Ghedi, no. Uman Nizar, no. I'm going to take one of the students who will answer me for this. Muhammad Kashan.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Muhammad. Tell me the answer.
4 multiplied by 1, 4. 4 multiplied by 2, 8. 4 multiplied by 2, 8.
Okay.
884.
884. You mean that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's very good. Let's take one more student and check your answer. He said 884. Muhammad Moomin.
Yes, sir.
221 multiplied by 4.
Equals 884.
How?
Because 4 by 1 equals 4. Then
Okay.
4 by 2 equals 8.
Okay.
Then 4 by 2 again equals 8. It will
That's
be
right.
884.
That's very good. Thank you.
Welcome.
Exactly, guys. The answer is 884. When you multiply this 4 by 1, 4 multiplied by 1 will give you 4, 1. Then you multiply this 4 by 2 tens. 4 multiplied by 2 tens. 4 by 1, 4, and 4 by 2, 8. So equals to 8 tens. Then 4 multiplied by again 2. But this time in 100. So 4 multiplied by 200 is equals to 800. So you will write 8 on the 100. And you completed question number 2 also like this. 3 multiplied by 2 equals to 6 ones. 3 multiplied by 3 equals to 9 ones. And 3 multiplied by 2 equals to 6 1. The same way you have to complete question number D as well, guys. So now I need answers for all. Question number 1, D. 859 multiplied by 1, and this is very, very, very easy. 859 by 1. This is very easy, guys. Yusuf, very good. Ahmad Al-Badi, very good. Muhammad Kashan, very good. Rakan, very good. Muaz, very good. Rashid, very good. Rayan, very good. Muzaffar Rashid, very good. Taimullah, very good. Muzaffar Rashid, correct your answer. A small mistake. Umar Nizar, very good. Arshaman, very good. Muhammad Ali, very good. Abdul Muid, very good. Taimullah, Muhammad Moomin, Muhammad Ali, Umar Nizar, very good. Salman Salim Murbi, Mahmoud, very good. Muhammad Arwani, very good. Suleiman Al-Gini, check your answer again. And let's take one student, guys. Yusuf.
Yes, sir.
859 multiplied by 1.
9.
1
times 9 equals 9.
Okay.
1 times 5 equals 5.
Okay.
And 1 times 8 equals 8.
Okay, that's very good. 859.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Let's take one more student, guys. And Rayan.
Yes, sir.
859 multiplied by 1.
1 times 9 equals 9.
Okay.
And 1 times 5 equals 5. 1 times 8 equals 8. 859.
So this is 859. That's very good.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Exactly, guys. The answer is 859. Even you can, guys, just do it with the help of the property. You remember we learned the property that any number you multiply by 1 will give you the 1. Whether it is a single digit, 5 by 1, 1, 4 by 1, 4, 2 by 1, 2, 3 by 1, 3, or it is a two-digit number, 89 by 1, 89, 29 by 1, 29, 34 by 1, 34, or it is a 4-digit, 5-digit, 6-digit, n-digit number. Whenever you multiply any number by 1, you get the same number in the answer. Any number you multiply by 1, you get the same number in the answer. So by using this property, you can even answer that 859 multiplied by 1 will give you 859. Even if you don't multiply, you can use the property just that you are multiplying any number by 1. So that means the result will be the same. So 859 will be 859 when you multiply it by 1. Clear, guys?
Now, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's very good. And you can just check that when you multiply this one by 9, you get 9. When you multiply this one by 5, you get 5. And when you multiply this one by 8, you get 8. So it is 859. Now let's move to the next page, which is page number 54. On page number 54, there's a question number 2. Mrs. Taylor has 421 girls in her school. She sews 2 skirts for each of her students. So how many skirts does Mrs. Taylor sew all together? So guys, what is the question? The question is telling you the information. He is giving you the information that Mrs. Taylor has total 421 girls in her school. And what she does, she sews skirts actually. She sews 2 skirts for each of her students, means she sews 2 skirts for one girl. For one girl, for each girl, for every girl, she sews 2 skirts. How many skirts does Mrs. Taylor sew all together? So guys, how many total girls are there? The total girls are 421. And for each girl, Mrs. Taylor sew 2 skirts. If you want to find out how many skirts she sews all together, so just multiply 421 by 2. So I will write here 421. This is 421 multiply by 2, and that will give you the answer. We will check what will be the answer for that. 421 multiplied by 2 equals to what? So guys, to multiply 421 by 2, what you will do? You will write 421. There are 3 digits in 421. 1 ones, 2 tens, and 4 hundreds. So answer me guys, when you multiply 421, you need to multiply 421 by 2. So answer me, 421 multiplied by 2 will give you what? Yes. Very good. Umar Amin. You are not concentrating in the class? Yusuf, very good. And Huzaifar Rashid, very good. Exactly, Muhammad Kashan, but tell me the answer also. Yeah, good, very good. Ahmad Al-Badi, very good. Rashid, very good. Arshiman Aziz, very good. Ahmad Al-Badi, very good. Sami Hijazi. It is not correct. Rayan, very good. Muhammad Ali, very good. No, you are not paying attention, or it seems you are playing. Sami Hijazi, very good. Muhammad Mumin, very good. Sulaiman Al-Ghali, check your answer. Okay, I'm going to take one of the students. Muhammad.
Yes, sir.
421 multiplied by 2.
421 multiplied by 2.
Mhm.
draw a line 4 lines.
Multiply this 2 by 1. 2 multiplied by 1 equals what?
2 multiplied by 1, 3.
3. 2 multiplied by 1 equals to 3.
2, 2, 2, 2.
2. So write 2 here. Then 2 multiplied by 2 equals what? Multiply this 2 with
2
tens.
multiplied by 4.
4. Write 4 here. Then multiply this 2 by hundreds, which is 4. 2 multiplied by 4 equals
2 multiplied by 4, 8.
8. The answer is 842. That's very good. Thank you.
Welcome.
Exactly, guys. When you multiply 421 by 2, so you multiply the number with ones first. 2 by 1 equals 2. Then you multiply this 2 by tens. 2 by 2 equals 4. And then 2 multiplied by 4 equals 8. So 421 multiplied by 2 is equals to 842. So you will write the answer. That is 842 skirts altogether. $842. Write 842, guys. 421 multiplied by 2 is equals to 842. Is it clear, guys?
Yes,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's very good. Now, guys, we are going to start. We are going to check how to multiply when we need to regroup. How to multiply the numbers with regrouping. Look here, Wrinkle has 2 albums of stamps. In each album, she has 35 stamps. How many stamps does she have in all? One album, how many stamps are there? 35. And such 2 albums are there. In order to find out total stamps, you need to multiply 35 by 2. So 35 by 2, in 35 there are 2 digits, 3 tens and 5 ones. In 35 there are 2 digits, 3 tens and 5 ones. So this is ones and this is tens. You are going to multiply it by 2. So you will write multiply by 2. Now, as you used to multiply, as you are multiplying, you follow the same method. You multiply the number by ones first. 2 by 5 equals to what? Yes, guys, 2 multiplied by 5 equals to what?
Yes, sir.
2 multiplied by 5 is equals to 10. 2 multiplied by 5 is equals to 10. So you are going to write here. So guys, 2 multiplied by 5 is equals to what? 10. In 10, there are 2 digits, 1 and 0. 10 means it is 110. So what we are going to do, we are going to regroup it. You will only write 1 here. In 10, there are 0 ones. And 110, you will regroup here. So multiply 5 ones by 2. That will give you 10 ones, which is actually equal to 110 and 0 1. So you will write 0 in the ones column and you will carry over 1 to the tens column. Now you will multiply this 2 by 3. 2 by 3 equals to 6. 2 by 3 equals to 6. Then you will add 110 in 610. and it will become 70. Again, I repeat, guys. You multiply this 2 by 5, but you get the answer in 2 digits, which is 10. So, you will regroup the 10 with 10s as you used to do in addition. So, 0 you write here, 1 you regroup. Then you again multiply this 2 with the 10s. When you multiply 2 with the 10s, 2 by 3 equals to 6 tens. But in 6 tens, now you need to add this one. So 6 plus 1 is equals to 7. So the answer is 70. 35 multiplied by 2 is equals to 70. So wrinkle has 70 stems all together. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's very good. I repeat again, guys. You will multiply first the ones with the number 2 by 5 equals to 10. Okay. But you will get the answer 2 digit here. 1 0, which is 10. So you will only write the ones here, 0 ones, and you will regroup the 10 with the 10s, which is 1. Then you multiply this 2 by this 3. 2 by 3 equals 6, and 6. In 6 you will add this 1. So 6 plus 1 will give you 7. This is how you have to multiply 2 digits to regrouping. So guys, multiplying numbers with regrouping and without regrouping are actually same. The only difference in with regrouping and without regrouping is that we say with regrouping where you need to regroup. Like you multiply 2 by 5 here, you get 2 digit number. But if instead of 5, if it is 4, it is 34. So 2 multiplied by 4 equals to 8. So you know you don't need to regroup here. You will just write 8, 2 by 3 equals to 6. So 68 will be the answer. So with regrouping, we just have, we will get 2 digit number in the answer and 1 digit we have to regroup. This is we call multiplication with regrouping. So guys, this is the end of our class. Inshallah, I'll meet you in the next class. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.